Annyeonghaseyo, it's me, Megalodon. So right now, we're going to react to the music video of BGYO Sinta, featuring my friend Ate Inavi. So I've been waiting for this because the music video of Forever Tonight is like connected or a sequel of the music video of Sinta. And now it has been posted on YouTube. So right now, we're going to react to the music video because girl! And at the end of the video, I want you to guess who is my bias in BGYO. But I think you already know if you watch my video with Forever Tonight. Here's my MacBook already. Ay, bakit loading? Yon. Ay, my God. So now let's start. Ay, pop. Oh. Sila ni JL. Ayun. Ay, ang ganda. Ang ganda na together ni Aki. Oh, si JL. Guwapo ni JL. Ay, sorry. Ako dapat yun, Ate Ina. Charot. Yun. Ang cute ni Mickey mag. Ayun pa. Hey, go girl. Pa. Ayun. Native. Oh my God. Imagine, tinititigan ka ni JL. Uy, Diyos ko, baka himatayin ako. Pakla. Ay! Ako dapat yan, Ate Ina. That should be me. Diyos ko. Ano ni Jello? Girl. Nakuha ko talaga yung fantasy ko, girl. Oh. Ala, sino yun? Feel ko ako yun kasi black hair. Dapat nag-white dress sana ako. I should wear white dress. Ang ganda. But this time, like the music video is really serious talaga. Like, it's giving like something Latin, romantic. Oh my God. Tapos imagine, igaganon ako ni Jello. Wala si JL, tititigan niya ako. Oh my God. I'm sweating a lot because after seeing Jello. Ay, Diyos ko. Oh my God. Imagine, siya yung nakasandal sa ano. Sorry, walay pala. Moment ko na Inabi, kaya bibigay ko na sa kanya. Ako, mag-ano na lang ako. I-imagine na lang ako na ako yun. Ganda yung song because it's giving like, parang iba siya compared to their other music. Sinta is parang like may iba talaga siya ng vibe. Reminds me of Gabriela actually. If you're an icon or you're a fan of Cat's Eye, the song or like the beat is giving Gabriela talaga. It's my first time seeing a P-pop group making a Latin vibe song. Is it Latin? Yeah, I guess it's Latin. But if I am wrong, please correct me. So yeah, it's my first time on P-pop groups to create or to do this kind of music. So it's really new. It's really fresh. Yan. Nandiyan na fresh. Hindi ko makakit over sa kanila ni Jello. Like, imagine, nakasandal ka kay Jello. Tapos gaganulin mo lang, girl. Dapat sinulit mo na, girl. Hindi, kalandian ko to, sorry. I was amazed by their song. Like, masasabi ko lang talaga, it's really unique and it's really fresh in their songs they created before. So, yeah, it's so nice. Kudos to BGYO team for creating this masterpiece. So don't forget to stream Sinta by BGYO, guys. So, yan. So that's all. Again, thank you so much for watching. Bye!